Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, we're going to show you how to fix an unidentified error occurred on PS5. Are you looking for a quick guide on how to fix an unidentified error occurred on your PS5? Stay tuned because this video is for you. All right, there are a few fixes. One is try to purchase the game again. So an error message suggests that you can try to purchase the game again in a few moments, about 15 minutes after receiving an unidentified error PS5. It works for some users, so if you still encounter the problem, you should move on to the next fix, which is check for PSN server issues. It's very self-explanatory. Check online if there are PSN server issues. If there are, you got to write that out. You got to be patient, wait for it until the issues on the server has been resolved. And then fix 3 would be check your payment method. So sometimes payment methods can be icky. Just make sure that they're fine. Make sure that your cards or your account that's linked to your account is operational. Still have money on it. And then lastly, fix 4 purchase with funds in your PSN account. So some users have solved the PlayStation Store purchase error by using the funds in the PSN wallet, and you can also have a try to do this on your PS5. Navigate to settings and then users and accounts. In users and accounts, select account and then payment and subscriptions. And then add funds. Step 3, then select your account, how much you want to add, and then the payment method. And most of the time, a lot of people have solved the issue using this method. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.